Hi, my name is Kieran Quinn. I'm the Research Support Librarian here in Maynooth University Library. So I'm just going to bring you through briefly some of the essentials of EndNote. So what does EndNote do? So it allows you to store your references and manage your bibliographies. It comes in a desktop and an online version which you can sync up. It allows you to export references from academic databases into EndNote. It'll store your PDFs and also you're allowed to annotate them so you can highlight them and you can put notes onto them. It allows you to generate bibliographies for your papers. It allows you to create in-text citations and footnotes in your papers using the Cite While You Write tool, which you download onto your Word document, and also allows you to share your groups of references with other EndNote users. So this is the EndNote desktop, what it looks like. So over here on the left-hand side, there's your groups of references, so you can store them in groups, the details of your references, and over here is a link into your PDF of your document and the bibliographic details. So author, title, volume, issue, page numbers, and so on. It also captures the abstract and the keywords from the papers. And this is an example of how you would annotate a PDF. So you see there I'm able to put lines around certain sections, highlight sections, and put in notes. So very useful. And once you save that, that's there permanently. So every time you go into that PDF in EndNote, you'll have all your annotations will be there for you. This is EndNote Online, very similar looking. Groups of references, the references themselves, and then various functions within that. For example, you can format a bibliography. So what I do is just select a group of references, pick a style, text file, and then I can format a bibliography, which then I can attach, save as a Word document and attach it to the end of my paper. And this is the Cite While You Write tool. So when you download EndNote Desktop, this automatically downloads. If you're using EndNote Web, you can just download it separately. And the idea is you're writing your paper, and if you want to include a citation, a bibliography in it, you just click on the text where you want it to go, and then you can search for the particular references back into your EndNote, and then that brings that reference through into your Word document and gives you the appropriate citation bibliography depending on what style you've chosen. So really, really useful tool. So how do you get EndNote? So you can download EndNote Desktop from the MUIT webpage. We're just going into that link there, and then just choose EndNote version 20 and download onto your device. You can also launch it if you don't want to actually download it. For EndNote Online, you go to the Web of Science database, which is in the library, A to Z of databases in the library. Select products, then click on the EndNote link to register for an account, which is down here. So all very straightforward, and the idea will be you can use your EndNote Desktop alongside your EndNote Online. So if you're at your device, use EndNote Desktop. If you're away from your device, you can use EndNote Online and then synchronize the two of them up when you get back to base. Okay. Now for further help, if you have any queries or you need training or you want to look at guides, you can contact the library at library.learning@mu.ie, or you can link into the reference management guide, which has everything you need, including more extensive recorded videos that will tell you exactly how to set up your EndNote account, basic functionality, then how to store references onto EndNote, and then how to use those references to generate your in-text citations, footnotes, and bibliographies in your essays. So that's it. Thanks for listening, and if you need any help at all, feel free to contact the library.